How to add or delete sections in Notebook in Microsoft OneNote. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily add and remove sections in a notebook in your Microsoft OneNote. Let's dive right in. Open up any browser, head over to your Microsoft OneNote, and after you have created a notebook, you'll be able to see the section option in the left hand side. If you want to add a section, you can just tap on Add Section option and you'll need to enter a section name and then hit OK, and a section will be created. Now, if you want to delete any section, just right click on it and then you can see delete section, tap on it and then tap on permanently delete. And that's it. That's how you add and delete a section in your Microsoft OneNote. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.